Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, you cannot shrink a volume beyond the point fix in Windows 11, 10. First step is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type power CFG space, -H space, off. Second step is type Advanced System Settings, click View Advanced System Settings. Click Settings, click Advanced. Uncheck Automatically Manage Page and File Size. Third step is type Recovery in Windows search bar, click Recovery. Click Configure. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.